Cabinet storage shelves are a practical solution for maximizing space and keeping your home organized. These shelves offer easy access to stored items, whether in the kitchen, bathroom, or closet. With adjustable configurations, they help optimize cabinet space, providing an efficient way to store and organize everyday essentials. There are many products available to choose with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list. After much study, I discovered these products are a lot helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Reel-In Sink Pull-Out Cabinet. The L-shaped design. Featuring a unique L-shaped structure with a narrow top and wider bottom, this design optimizes vertical space under the sink. The spacious bottom tier offers ample room for taller bottles, addressing common storage issues in cabinets. The layout also creates space for plumbing and garbage disposal, ensuring a clutter-free sink area. Sliding Storage Drawer. This under-sink organizer comes with a sliding drawer that is equipped with handles for smooth operation. It makes accessing stored items easy and convenient, even those at the bottom, saving time and effort in organizing. Easy installation and stability. Installation is quick and requires no tools. Just a few seconds and you're done. The design incorporates bottom suction cups and adhesive tape for secure placement, providing stability without the need for drilling. Its rust-resistant baked paint finish ensures both durability and a sleek look. The grid design prevents water accumulation, while removable pads safeguard items from falling and are washable for easy maintenance. Versatile and compact. With dimensions of 14.2 by 10.6 by 11 inches, this multi-purpose organizer fits seamlessly in kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry rooms. Number 2. VTop Mart 6-pack Clear Stackable Storage Cabinet. Versatile storage solution for any room. These pantry bins are perfect for organizing various items throughout your home. Whether it's in the pantry, kitchen, fridge, bathroom, closet, under the sink, laundry room, or RV, these clear bins are ideal for storing food, drinks, snacks, cleaning supplies, toiletries, and other daily essentials, helping to keep your space neat and accessible. Clear and stackable design. The transparent bins make it easy to locate your items without needing to pull everything out. When using the included lids, these bins can be stacked to maximize vertical space, which is great for efficient storage. When not in use, they can also be stacked for easy storage, keeping your home clutter-free. Durable and strong material. Crafted from high-quality BPA-free polyethylene, these bins are built to last. Each bin can hold up to 8 kilograms of weight, making them strong enough to store full bottles, cans, and other heavy items. You can also stack additional items on top of these bins for smart, space-saving storage solutions. Convenient built-in handles. Equipped with sturdy handles, these bins are easy to carry and transport from one area to another. Number 3. Magnetic Spice Rack for Refrigerator. Magnetic spice rack for your refrigerator. The Off-World Magnetic Spice Rack set offers a unique combination of 2 separate shelves and an 8-hook rack, providing versatile storage options for any kitchen. The practical 8-hook hanger is perfect for holding kitchen utensils, laundry supplies, or everyday items like cups, scissors, towels, and aprons. Powerful magnetic design with high load capacity. These magnetic spice racks feature a reinforced magnet at the back, ensuring a secure hold. The larger shelf can support up to 11 pounds, while the smaller one holds 6.6 pounds. The 8-hook rack can carry up to 4.4 pounds, providing ample strength for all your storage needs. Smart and safe design. With rounded corners for a safe and comfortable experience, these magnetic shelves also include a 1.77-inch guardrail to prevent items from falling. The hollow, ventilated design keeps items dry, making the racks mildew-resistant and rust-proof for long-lasting use. Easy installation. No tools are required. Simply attach the magnetic spice racks to your fridge or any other metal surface. The strong magnets ensure a secure attachment, so you don't have to worry about the racks falling off. Versatile use. These magnetic shelves can be used on any metal surface around your home. Number 4. 2-pack sliding L-shaped cabinet. Sliding storage drawer. This under-sink organizer features a pull-out design, offering greater convenience compared to traditional storage solutions. The bottom sliding drawers, equipped with handles, can be easily pulled out, providing quick and easy access to items stored at the back, making organization and retrieval much simpler in tight spaces. Space-saving and neatly organized. This pull-out cabinet organizer maximizes under-sink space, making it ideal for storing cleaning supplies in the kitchen, toiletries in the bathroom, and more. The sliding system ensures that all your items are within reach, making it easier to keep everything organized and accessible. Sturdy construction. Made from durable, thick plastic, this organizer ensures long-lasting use and a clean, tidy appearance. The 4 strong tubes are coated to prevent rust, making it perfect for use in damp environments like undersinks. Easy installation and cleaning. Installation is quick and tool-free. The drainage design prevents water buildup and cleaning is hassle-free. Just wipe the surface with a damp cloth. Number 5. 4-pack magnetic spice storage cabinet. Rust-proof construction. Made from high-quality rust-resistant materials, this organizer is built to last and withstand the demands of a busy kitchen. Powerful magnet. Equipped with a strong, heavy-duty magnet, it securely attaches to the side of your refrigerator or any metal surface, ensuring stability even with heavier items. Space-saving design. Perfect for small kitchens with limited space, this organizer provides a practical solution by utilizing the side of the fridge, freeing up valuable countertop or cabinet space. Easy access to spices. Organizing your spices has never been easier. With quick and easy access, you can grab what you need without hassle, keeping your cooking process efficient and organized. Adjustable and portable. The organizer is easy to move and adjust, allowing you to customize your storage setup based on your needs. Great gift idea. This versatile organizer makes a thoughtful and practical gift for friends or family who love keeping their kitchens neat and tidy. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want greater information, or in case you need to realize product price due, check out my description. For any type of hassle, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.